In previous lecture we have studied MCQs of second chapter Steel and Alloys up to 56 questions. Now question number 57. Question number 57. The process of decomposing martensitic structure by heating martensitic steel below its critical temperature is called as tempering. C is the correct answer. Which transformation starts after the nucleation of ferrite phase? So A is the correct answer, Batten transformation. Then question number 59. An alloy is a mixture of metals and in fixed proportion. Question number 60. Question number 60. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. C is the correct answer. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc is the correct answer. Which of the following is not an alloy? Copper is not an alloy. An alloy can be one of the following type: homogeneous, heterogeneous, intermetallic, all of the above. So all of the above is the correct one. Then question number 64. Question number 64. Which of the following alloying element prevents formation of austenite in high chromium steel? So titanium is the correct answer. By adding chromium to steel, which of the following property is enhanced? So electrical characteristics enhanced. By adding silicon to steel, which of the following property is enhanced? Electrical characteristics is the correct one. Now question number 67. The first alloy made by human was A. steel, B. brass, C. bronze, D. mild steel. So C is the bronze. An alloy, the primary metal is called except all of these. Which of the following alloy is used in making aircraft structure? Duralumin is the correct answer. Which of the following is an alloy of tin? So C, Babbitt metal is the correct one. Which of the following is the property of high carbon steel? Reduced ductility. High carbon steel is used in transmission line and microwave towers. What is the minimum percentage of chromium and nickel added to stainless steel? So 10.5% and 0.5%. Question number 74. Match the pair of type of steel with its ultimate tensile strength. Weathering steel 410 for 40 MPas. you can tick over here. C. Which is the weathering steel? Low alloy atmospheric corrosion resistance steel. Then question number 76. Match the pair of type of steel type with its yield strength. D. High strength Queenston tempered 230-300, or D. Then melting point of iron in degree centigrade is equal to 1535. Iron melting point is 1535. Iron carbon phase diagram is binary phase. Peritectic reaction in iron carbon diagram takes place at temperature in degree centigrade is 1493. Eutetic reaction in iron carbon diagram takes place at temperature in degree centigrade 1150. Eutectoid reaction in iron carbon diagram takes place at temperature in degree centigrade, that is 725. Percentage of carbon at eutectic point is equal to 4.3 is the correct one. Now question number 83. Percentage of carbon at eutectoid point is equal to 0.83. Percentage of carbon at peritectic point is equal to 0.18. In which of the following reaction in iron carbide diagram no Moschi zone is obtained? Eutetic reaction is the correct one. Then next is question number 86. Which of the following material have carbon percentage between 2.1 to 4.3? Cast iron is the correct answer. Which of the following material have carbon percentage in range from 4.3 to 6.67? So pig iron is the correct answer. Mixture of alpha plus Fe3C is also known as perlite. Then the alpha from an iron is known as ferrite is the correct answer. Then question number 90. The gamma form of iron is known as austenite. Which of the following is the soft in nature? Coarse perlite. Which of the following is hardest in nature? martensite. Now question number 93. Furnace cooling of iron carbon mixture will give which of the following compound? Coarse perlite. Water cooling of iron carbon mixture will give which of the following compound? martensite. Air cooling of iron carbon mixture will give which of the following compound? B. Fine perlite is the correct one. Now question number 96. A cold chisel is made up of dash dash. High carbon. Then question number 97. An engineer's hammer is made of dash dash dash. High carbon steel. Free cutting steel dash dash are used where ease in machining is the criterion. Last question. Pick up wrong statement. Nickel and chromium steel help in dash dash improving machining properties. So these are the MCQs. Read these MCQs and try to remember, because in final examination you have to give online examination. You have to choose the correct choices. So this is the end of second chapter. In next lecture we will start third one. Okay.